We are.
Public Service Company of Indiana presents Home Service Representative Roberta McCormick with another tip on how to live even better electrically. Here's one of the new electric ranges so many modern homemakers are raving about. And here's Miss Roberta McCormick to show you why it's such a wonderful time and labor saver. Notice that once the family's dinner is ready, all you have to do is open the door, place the food in the oven, shut the door, and set the dials. My, how time flies, especially when your electric range does all the work, and you can spend the day shopping or visiting or any way you choose. And here's a perfect dinner, right on time, piping hot, and ready to serve your starving family. So friends, take Roberta McCormick's advice. See your electric appliance dealer and choose your new electric range now. Public Service Company of Indiana presents Home Service Representative Roberta McCormick with another tip on how to live even better electrically. Do you like your house to stay clean? Of course, every homemaker does. And every modern homemaker knows the electric range provides the cleanest cooking method known. You use no messy matches. Your clean walls and ceilings, your spotless windows and windowsills, everything, every place in the room stays clean. Even your kitchen curtains keep their crisp, fresh look. Yes, it's true, your electric range helps keep your whole kitchen clean. And here's a real break for any modern home's chief cook and bottle washer. With her electric range, even pots and pans stay mirror bright because there's no flame to blacken them. See your electric appliance dealer. Remember, you can buy your new electric range on easy monthly terms. Your Public Service Company of Indiana presents another tip on how to live even better electrically. Take electric home freezer living, for example. Convenient is the word for your modern electric home freezer. When you have this wonderful time and labor saver, it's just like having supermarket food variety right at your fingertips. Yes, all those frozen assets, those meats, fruits, poultry, and all your family's favorite vegetables are ready and waiting for you to select and serve. There will be fewer shopping trips, easier meal preparation, and more varied menus when you start enjoying your own electric home freezer convenience and savings. No wonder hundreds of Indiana families are adding this great new electric servant every year. See the wide variety of electric home freezer sizes and styles your electric appliance dealer has on display. There's a right kind to meet your family's special needs. And remember, with your electric appliance dealer's easy monthly payment plan, you can start right now to take advantage of food bargains, freeze in quantity, and save. Smart modern homemakers like this attractive young lady choose the electric range, and there are lots of good reasons why modern women are going electric. Ready Kilowatt, your electric servant, says it's cleaner. Yes, the cleanliness of the electric range and the cleanliness of the electric cooking method are two of the biggest reasons modern homemakers prefer the electric range. There's no flame, no soot with an electric range. Throw your matches away. Think what that means. Flame and soot are banished. Walls, curtains, and cooking utensils stay fresh and clean. Yes, electric cooking is clean. Pots and pans stay as sparkling and bright as they were the day you bought them. You'll agree electric cooking is really cleaner. Helps keep everything else that way. And every homemaker wants to cut down cleaning chores every way she can. See your electric appliance dealer. That's a sound tip from your Public Service Company. Your dealer has a wide selection of famous make electric ranges, and he has an easy monthly payment plan to help you start enjoying your own clean electric range tomorrow. It's a snap. That's right, cooking is a snap when you have a modern, fully automatic electric range ready to give you instant service at the touch of your finger. All you do is push a button and presto, electric surface units are cooking hot in seconds. In fact, there's no other cooking method as fast as the modern electric range. And look at this. With your electric range, you can prepare a whole dinner, then leave the kitchen, stay away till it's time to serve. It makes no difference whether it's a small family dinner or one for a large party. You just pop the food in your automatic electric oven, set the dials for the time you want to serve, and leave. See your electric appliance dealer. Find out from him about Public Service Company's low-cost electric range installation plan. It will really save you money because Public Service Company pays most of the installation cost. Yes, it's a snap to cook electrically. Try it. You'll agree with the hundreds of modern Indiana homemakers who already cook electrically.